Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Rolling Duffels is probably one of the most sought-after travel companions for modern adventurers, offering a perfect blend of spaciousness, maneuverability, and durability that seamlessly adapts to various travel styles, from weekend getaways to extensive expeditions. This video will delve into the top picks, helping you choose the ideal rolling duffel that perfectly aligns with your unique travel needs and preferences. Number 5. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. This is the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag, perfect for your next adventure. It's designed for easy maneuverability and ample storage. Its rolling wheels and sturdy handle make it a breeze to transport, even when fully packed. Say goodbye to lugging heavy bags. It boasts a large main compartment to hold all your essentials. You'll have plenty of room for clothes, shoes, and more. It's built to last with high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel. It's a reliable companion for all your journeys. It features multiple pockets and compartments for organization, keeping everything in its place. You'll find it incredibly convenient and easy to use. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, it's the ideal choice. It combines style, functionality, and durability for a seamless travel experience. What we like. This rolling duffel is built to last with its robust construction. It's perfect if you need a reliable bag for frequent travel. If you prioritize durability and a large capacity, this is the one for you. What people say. The 100% polyester construction of this duffel bag makes it incredibly durable. It can withstand the wear and tear of travel. The rolling feature is a game changer. The wheels are smooth and provide excellent mobility. This duffel bag offers versatile carrying options. You can use the wheels and telescopic handle for easy rolling or carry it by the reinforced handles. Number 4. Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel. This duffel bag is perfect for your next adventure. Its rolling design makes it easy to transport, even when it's fully packed. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can rely on it to withstand the rigors of travel. Pack all your essentials with ease. It offers ample space for clothes, shoes, and more. Navigate airports and train stations effortlessly. The smooth wheels glide over various surfaces. Effortless maneuverability is key. The extendable handle makes it comfortable to pull behind you. Keep everything in its place. It features several pockets to help you stay organized on the go. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, it's the ideal choice for your travel needs. Enjoy worry-free travel with its durability and functionality. What we like. This duffel offers great organization with multiple pockets. It's ideal if you're looking for a stylish and functional bag for both work and leisure. If you value organization and a sleek design, this bag is a great choice. What people say. It's bigger than I needed but very nice and the quality is great. This is an excellent bag. It holds a lot and it's very light. The material allows it to be a little stretchy so that it gives when you overstuff it. I've used it on 4 trips and it's been very full 3 of those times, and it has held up well. Rugged, durable, and collapsible for easy storage, this is the best rolling duffel I have ever had. Lots of pockets for organizing your stuff, sturdy handle and wheels, not too big, but not too small. Number 3. High Sierra 22-inch Travel Bag. It's made from incredibly strong hex ripstop and 840D high abrasion fabrics. This combination ensures it can withstand even the toughest travel conditions and will be a reliable companion for years to come. With its spacious main compartment and a convenient zipper pass-through to the drop bottom, it offers easy access to all your belongings. The drop bottom even has garment straps to keep clothes neatly organized. It features durable top handles for easy lifting and a retractable telescoping handle for effortless rolling. Maneuvering through crowds or airports will be a breeze. Compression straps securely cinch down the contents, stabilizing the load and reducing wear and tear on the fabric. This also helps keep everything neatly organized inside. Boasting a generous 50-liter capacity, it has ample space for all your essentials. Plus, a molded ID holder adds extra security and peace of mind. What we like. This bag is made from incredibly durable materials that can withstand rough handling. It's perfect if you need a bag that can handle a lot of wear and tear. If you're looking for a long-lasting, practical travel companion, this is it. What people say. Needed to replace my 20-plus-year-old Wilson duffel bag which was beginning to unravel. A true duffel bag to me has a specific shape, takes minimal storage space when not in use, packs easily, has lots of compartments, is light and compact, water-resistant and has a high cool factor. I studied every one I could find online ranging from $30 to $1,200 and chose the 28 High Sierra Fairlead Portable 28-inch as it had all the features I want, plus one bonus I didn't know existed. The High Sierra arrived clearly well constructed, strong and the separate container at bottom keeps my cloths tightly packed and unwrinkled. The tie-down straps in the bottom section are sweet. If I don't want to pack both compartments separately I just unzip the divider and have one large expanse of space. I especially like the strong material construction and the sturdy telescoping handle which gladly comes out much farther than the video shows. It wheels itself along very nicely and with good stability. Exactly what I wanted to replace a similar one I have had for years. My previous one's main zipper developed an unrepairable tear after over a decade of airline abuse for ski trips. Width is smaller than previous bag, but volume is never my issue, it is always 50 pounds airline weight limit. Excellent communication with seller when I bought their smaller version and realized it was too small for my use and ordered this one. I just returned from a 3-week trip during which time this bag was subjected to numerous baggage handlers and airplane cargo holds, not to mention being tossed into the trunk of numerous rental cars, sometimes on a daily basis. The bag performed perfectly. It shows very little wear and all zippers and latches still perform perfectly. As you can imagine, I had the bag absolutely stuffed with enough clothing for 3 weeks. The adjustable latched straps on the side took pressure off the lower compartment zipper, thus preventing the failure seen on other competitive bags. After looking at perhaps dozens of suitcases, I am happy I chose this one. It's strong, durable, and a terrific value. Number 2. Olympia U.S.A. 22 Carry-On. This fashionable rolling duffel bag is the perfect travel companion. It's lightweight yet durable, thanks to its high-quality water-resistant material. The U-shaped opening and two-way zippers give you easy access to the spacious interior. It's designed to maximize packing capacity and keep everything neatly organized. With 8 convenient pockets, it's effortless to keep all your essentials meticulously organized. This makes for a seamless and hassle-free travel experience, perfect for everyday use or trips. The smooth rolling wheels and retractable handle make it a breeze to navigate any airport or train station. Travel safely, securely, and stylishly with this versatile bag. It features a high-quality retractable handle with a locking push button for easy maneuvering. The handle conveniently tucks away when not in use, and there's also a comfortable grip handle. What we like. This rolling duffel is water-resistant and features many pockets for organization. It's great if you need a bag that can handle unexpected weather and keeps your belongings neat. If you prioritize convenience and worry about unexpected rain, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great storage layout for what I use it for. Very large on the inside as well. Bigger than the paintball bag I just bought at 4x the price. Big bag with handle, wheels and lots of pockets. Great for a week's travel. Sturdy, holds a lot, easy to carry or roll. Great travel luggage. Number 1. Travelers Club Xpedition Duffel. This rolling duffel bag is perfect for your next adventure. Its large capacity and multiple pockets will keep you organized on the go. It boasts a massive 30-inch size, providing ample room for all your travel essentials. You'll never have to worry about packing too much again. Stay organized with its numerous pockets, designed to keep your belongings separated and easily accessible. Find what you need quickly and efficiently. Maneuver through airports and train stations with ease thanks to its smooth rolling wheels. Enjoy a comfortable and stress-free travel experience. It's made from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. It's a reliable companion for all your journeys. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, this bag is the ideal choice. It combines functionality, durability, and style for the ultimate travel experience. What we like. This upright rolling duffel has a ton of pockets and a huge capacity. It's perfect if you need to pack a lot of items for longer trips. If you need a bag that can handle a large volume of items, this is your best bet. What people say. It fits quite a bit more than I expected it to. It is pretty durable and also lightweight. It also RLS easily. The fabric is much thicker and durable than I imagined it would be. The stitching and zippers seem perfectly adequate. This bag literally holds everything. Stuff is not squished and there is room, to spare, pockets, galore pockets, even where you don't expect pockets to be. Again, no problem with any of the zippers. Extremely happy with the quality of this bag for the price that I paid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.